say you're under 4, then this is Chigozie Online Maths. Now look at this problem. Without using tables, evaluate logarithm of 4 base 2 plus logarithm of 2 base 4 minus logarithm of 5 base 25. Now this is very simple. First of all, write your solution, which is solution, you understand? Now the question is logarithm of 4 base 2 plus logarithm of 2 base 4 minus logarithm of 5 base 25. Now here, remember 4 is 2 raised to power 2 and b. Now this one is settled. But here, my base is bigger than my number. My base is bigger than my number. But recall one thing in mathematics, that 2 is equals to 4 raised to power half. Remember, 2 is equals to 4 raised to power half, which is square root of 4. Understand? Now 5 is 5 raised to power, 25 raised to power half, which is equal to square root of 25. So with this, my answer is clear. Therefore, for easy understanding, recall that 2 is equal to 4 raised to power half, which is equal to square root of 4. Now 5 is equal to 25 raised to power half, which is equal to square root of 25. Now therefore, if I see 2, I'll put 4 raised to power half. If I see 5, I'll put this. Now let me proceed. So I have logarithm of 4 base 2. Now 4 base 4 is 2 raised to power 2. You understand? Plus logarithm of base 4. Now this 2 is now 4 raised to power half. So I'll write 4 raised to power half minus logarithm of base 25. This 5 is now 25 raised to power half. So I'll write 25 raised to power half. Remember in indices, in logarithm, this will come forward. So I have 2 log 2 base 2 plus half will come forward. So half log 4 base 4 minus half will come forward. Half log 25 base 25. The rest will fuck off, you understand? Now log 2 base 2 is 1. So I have 2 plus log 4 base 4 is 1. So 1 times this is half plus this is 1 times this is what? Half. Now equals to 2 plus, in my village, this boy plus this boy will give me 1. And 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Very simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.